Here's how to layer a melodic dubstep drop part 2. Today I'll be going over how to layer your leads, but make sure to stay connected and subscribe because I'll be posting a new video soon on how to build a song from scratch and you won't want to miss it. And in the last video I showed you how to layer your super saws, but if you haven't checked that out, make sure to click on part 2 to see it. And for those who are new here, I'm YJ and my content is centered around all things music production, so make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm posting new videos every week and you won't want to miss out. So let's get into the video. So here's the drop we're working with. And so when making your lead layers, you want to keep in mind that you want them to be really present in your mids so that it's the main focus for your listener. And with sound choice, it's mostly personal preference, so honestly just keep experimenting and creating new songs, and eventually you start to find sounds that you like. And so for me, I have a project template with a couple of my favorite sounds that I've acquired over the years, and I'll just keep reusing them unless it doesn't fit the vibe of the track. And so here's the layers I have for my lead. And I have this main lead layer which makes up most of the lead sound, and then I have these other two layers just to spread them out in the stereo field and to make the overall sound just more full. Then here's what I have for post-processing, which is some overdrive, OTT, and an EQ. And like any other sound, EQing is really important here, so I have this mid-side EQ to boost some of the mids of the lead, and then I'll take that EQ and put it on my stack group, which is every other element to my drop besides the lead, and I'll do the opposite to allow my leads to have space and to be more present. And yeah, now that you have your bass, super saws, and leads layered, you can mix them to a good volume for each, and then you got yourself a drop like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I layer my leads, super saws, and bass. I have a new video coming soon on how to make a song from scratch, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, I hope you guys had a good 4th of July weekend for my folks in the US, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!